In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Bitbucket Access Token. So to do that, first head over to bitbucket.org and click on this Try It Now or click on this Get It Free in order to access it. You need to create an account using your Atlassian in order to use it. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to click onto this sign in option that we can see right here into this part. Now, here is my Bitbucket. In order to get your access token, you just need to navigate to your workspace. I have in here my workspace, which is BM Frames 1. Now click on the settings icon that we can see right here and choose workspace settings. This will load this particular settings right here. So what we can do is we just need to click or find the security, here's security right here, and then from in there, select access tokens. Here it is. So make sure to click on this. Now, do take note that access tokens are workspace level access tokens that are premium features. So for this, make sure to upgrade to the premium plan in order to use this. But if you have already upgraded, you should be able to use this particular feature. Now, just select and create an access token using this part by creating or clicking on the create version. Now from in there, provide a name for the token and set an expiry date. It can be 365 days, no expiry, 90 or 180 days. You can select the necessary permissions or scope for the token, and after that, create it. You can copy the generated token immediately as it will only be displayed once upon creation. So do take note of that as well. So for that, upgrade and then create a token using this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.